Hi guys, I'm Maria Parmigiani, your CW14 star, and I'm here with Joe Witt from Witt Auto, and he's going to tell us a little bit about how they like to help you here build up your credit so you can get that car that you want and maybe your dream car in a couple years. Can you tell me a little bit about how you like to help people build up their credit?
Sure. We have guaranteed credit approval program here, so it means it doesn't matter if you have good credit, bad credit, if you have some bumps and bruises in the past, that we guarantee credit approval. And what we try to do here, different than a lot of other places, is we try to build people for success. We try to put you in a payment that fits your budget, fits your needs and wants. You make a couple years of payments, you come back and see us, and we can put you into a vehicle that's nicer, newer, and a vehicle that you want with a better interest rate and a better term. So it's all about setting people up for success.
That's great. So if someone would just come in with how much they can afford per month and what kind of car they want, you can put them as close into that dream car as possible, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, you can't have too high of expectations, but if you come in with some reasonable expectations, we can get anybody approved, put you in a car that you're going to love, it's going to be affordable for you, and we guarantee approval. So it doesn't matter where you're at in life, you know, in any situation, any environment, we're going to get you approved and we're going to take care of you. We give people a book, and what it does is it really lays out how to improve your credit score, how to get better credit. So when you do make the payments on the vehicle we guarantee approval on, you can come back in 2 years, build the credit on the car, but then also improve your lifestyle with how to increase your credit scores so you can get that excellent rate, that excellent term, and get that nicer, newer vehicle that everybody deserves.
And you just give that to everybody when they come in to get a car?
Absolutely. The book is complimentary. You just come in, ask for it. You can even go to wittauto.com. There's plenty of other books that I've written on reports and stuff, but this credit one's very important. I recommend everybody to go to wittauto.com, register to get it. We'll mail it to you, email it to you, however you like it.
For more information about Witt Auto's guaranteed credit approval or Witt Auto's guide to building a better credit report, check out the information on your screen.